Close your eyes and imagine a blank canvas where your wildest ideas take shape with a simple stroke of a pen. Now, what if I told you there's a tool that can transform your sketches into refined images, bringing your imagination to life? Get ready to witness the magic of Scribble Diffusion, the ultimate AI-powered tool for turning your sketches into stunning images. Introducing Scribble Diffusion, where creativity meets artificial intelligence. With just a sketch and a click of a button, you can turn your raw, artistic expression into a refined image that will leave you in awe. So how does it work? Prepare to be amazed. Let's dive in. With Scribble Diffusion, you have the power to unlock the true potential of your sketches. Simply draw the outline of the image you have in mind and watch as the magic unfolds. But here's where it gets exciting. Scribble Diffusion analyzes your sketch, understands your vision, and uses the power of AI to generate a refined image that captures the essence of your creation. It's like having an artist's assistant right at your fingertips. Simply right-click on the image and save it to your device, and let your artistic ideas flow. And the best part? You're not limited to just one image. With Scribble Diffusion, you can unleash your creativity and create as many refined images as your heart desires. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a designer, or someone with a vivid imagination, Scribble Diffusion is the tool that will elevate your creative process. It's a bridge between your initial sketch and a polished masterpiece. So why wait? Unlock the full potential of your sketches with Scribble Diffusion. Turn your artistic vision into refined images that will inspire and captivate. Your imagination knows no bounds, and with Scribble Diffusion, your artwork will reflect the true artist within you.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.